front of me is nothing phone for April, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Launching clock and tapping on alarms at the bottom left corner. Now before doing anything, use those three dots at the top right one and tap on settings. This way you will get access to this section called alarms. Thanks to it, you can adjust all of those however you want to. When you finished, go back and create your new alarm thanks to this plus at the bottom right corner. Start by setting up an hour. And once you finish, hit OK. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. Now let's customize it. Click on it and adjust all of those options perfectly to your needs. Here, pick days of the week. If you don't want your alarm to, for example, start this Monday, tap on Schedule Alarm and pick a date. I want it to start ringing next Monday, so I will go with this date and hit OK. You can also tap on Cancel whenever you change your mind, obviously. Then stick with days of the week. Now click on this icon next to Pause Alarm if you want to exclude some dates. For example, this every Monday up to Friday. Hit OK to save your changes and tap on Cancel to discard them. Now tap on Alarm Name if you wish to label it and Sound. You can download one of those platforms if you want to use your music from it. I have YouTube Music already on, so I can click on it here and log in. If you don't want to do that, tap on Sounds, choose Add New and pick any song from your Nothing phone. If you don't want to do that either, just pick one of those, like Shake. Then use the switcher next to Vibrate to switch it off or turn it on. And if you are using Google Assistant Routine, you can add your alarm to it by tapping on this plus icon right next to it. Save your changes by hitting Save at the bottom right corner. If you will ever want to switch on or turn off your alarm, operate this switcher next to it to do it. If you want to edit it, click on it, and if you want to delete it, click on it as well, and this time tap on Delete at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!